arm down. So we're going to start with a lacrosse athlete here, and you're going to notice the same things. I want you to put your eyes first on this Nike check so we can kind of see that wave start to set. And we see that bow set, and we can kind of see how those hands are going to go into an overhand bow. So just think over the collarbone line is a nice simple way of kind of seeing the overhand bow set. So now we have all this pressure packed into this left column. And now from here, once the corner starts, we just kind of move the hands underneath that collarbone line. So we go from our overhand bow to our underhand bow, and we see that corner action, and we're keeping that same quality of tail to crown relationship that we want to see in all of our GOATA movement because it's going to allow us to create the most effective bow and the most effective cornering action. Still keeping that back chain as we release the pressure, heel away, elbow away, and then this right side has to grab all of that pressure, and you can see where the momentum is going to be going. And like we talked about in the overhead swing, it's very crucial that our athletes are trying to keep this heel out of the ground so that their ball of the foot, as all that pressure goes into the column, once they release and they grab with that right foot, we don't want to be heels down here because it'll stop that shin from turning, and it's obvious to see how much momentum is going to be moving in that direction. We have to keep harmony inside the column. Elbow away, heel away. Once again, look at the smooth exchange of pressure. We set that big bow in the column, back chain dominant. Now we start that corner, arm goes underneath the collarbone line. We get this nice back chain dominant alignment. We release that pressure, and then we catch all the pressure over on the right side, making sure I try to fight to stay inside ankle bone high. Basically, an easy way of saying that is the same thing we talked about in the overhead swing. Keep a soft knee and keep the heel high. That's going to allow the shin and the thigh to keep moving, which allows these guys to keep moving. It just keeps harmony between